Hey y'all, and welcome back to part 2 of my massive Temu unboxing. So this is part 2. If you missed part 1 of my massive Temu clothing haul and try on, I will leave that video linked down below. That was more like jeans, tops, kind of dressier clothes. I had some dresses in there. And today I have a ton of activewear to show you. I think I have some jumpsuits, and then also a ton of stuff for my business. So I'm super excited to share everything with you. Before I jump in and share each piece with you and try it all on, I want to give you a quick introduction to what Temu is, just in case this is your first video and you have never heard of them before. So Temu is an online store where you can get great quality products at an ultra affordable price. I will be sharing all the prices with you whenever I pull out each item. I will pop it up on the screen. Everything is super cheap. I didn't look at the prices before I started filming, but probably the most expensive thing is like $10 or $15. I mean, you cannot beat the prices when it comes to Temu. I will also be linking all the items shown in today's video in my description box down below. So if you're interested in anything you see, you can actually click on my link and purchase it there. And before you purchase it, make sure you do take advantage of my discount. Temu was kind enough to give my followers a 30% discount code. I will pop it up right here on the screen, and I will also leave it in my description box. So definitely make sure you take advantage of that discount code. Temu is running a huge site-wide sale where you can find discounts up to 90% off. They take all forms of payments, debit cards, credit cards, pay later programs, electronic payments. They got you covered. They do 90-day free returns, free shipping. It's an awesome site. That's enough about Temu. I want to go ahead and share with you what I got. So even though this is part 2, you can see my box is still filled to the rim. I got a lot to show you. They do have everything packaged up very nicely, and I love the packaging because they even have zippers on the clothing, and I will definitely take advantage of these bags and reuse them. All right, you guys, I went ahead and tried on all the clothing, so while I show you the products, I will actually be popping up videos of me actually wearing them so you can see them on a real person, not just hanging on a hanger. So let's go ahead and start out with probably my favorite thing from this part of the haul. These are some leggings, and I don't know about you guys, but I can never have too many black pairs of leggings. Like, am I right? Am I right? And these have the cell phone pocket here on the side. That honestly sometimes is a deal breaker for me whenever we're talking about leggings. These are super, super stretchy. Very, very cute. I like all the seams back here where they hit. I think it's very flattering. And yeah, overall, I'm really surprised with how good the quality is on these leggings. Just so you guys know, I'm normally a size extra small or small. That is what I ordered in all of this clothing that you're seeing here today. So if you're ordering clothing and you're kind of confused maybe on what size you should order, just order the size you normally order. That would be my recommendation. All right, you guys ready to see my new favorite pair of sweatpants? How cute are these? These are very like Y2K vibes with the butterflies. They're very, very stretchy. They do have the elastic waist with the drawstring. Very, very cute. And then they do come out to like a jogger style sweatpants. This is so cute. I would pair this just with like a white crop top and you're good to go. This is an adorable, adorable pair of sweatpants. If you're looking for like gift ideas to give somebody, I think there's not many women who wouldn't want these, right? Like, these are really cute. So most of this is activewear, and I didn't just want to get like sweatpants, leggings. I wanted to kind of get a little bit of everything. So I did pick out a pair of yoga pants, and these are really fun because they have the color block up here. They also do have the elastic waist and drawstring. So this is more of a yoga pant. This is definitely coming back in style. You're definitely seeing more girls wear the yoga pants lately. And these are super comfortable. These come in a lot of different colors, so I may be purchasing more of these in the future. Here's another pair of sweatpants, and these are more like a straight leg style. Very much on trend right now, and I love the color. It's like this really pretty like coffee brown color. Again, it has a stretchy waist with the drawstring that we all love and just a really comfortable pair of pants. These are also super soft inside. As you can see, they have this really nice fleece lining here. So if you live somewhere where it's still cold, I think these would be the perfect pair of sweatpants for you. Here's the last pair of activewear that I want to show you, and I actually hung them up on the hangers that I got that I showed you in my last Temu haul. These are great non-slip hangers. So these are just a pair of really casual black leggings. They don't have any pockets, so if pockets are not like a deal breaker for you, you would really like these. These are super, super stretchy. They're not sheer or anything, so I mean, you really cannot beat the price for the quality with these. And again, they're just like a skinny legging. All right, moving out of activewear, I'm gonna show you some more casual, fun pieces. These are the perfect pair of pants to wear for the summertime or the springtime, depending on where you live. I live somewhere where it gets really, really hot. So like these linen type pants, these wide leg, very breathable style of pants are definitely popular here, and they're super stretchy. I love how much elastic is here, so even if you go to the buffet, you can still wear these. We all love that. And these are just a pair of gray pants. These would be great if you were going on maybe a vacation to the beach or a cruise or anywhere in a tropical climate, because like I said, these are very breathable, and these do have pockets, so we love that. So in part one, I showed you this brown jumpsuit. It had like a turtleneck, if you remember, and it was super cute and stretchy. And I'm glad I ordered more. So this one is a little bit different. This is in a really beautiful, kind of like an olive green color. And it has a scoop neck in the front and in the back. I think that's a nice detail here too. And it's super, super stretchy. And yeah, it's just a long sleeve pantsuit. I mentioned in my other video, I would just style it with like a hat and a fanny pack, sneakers, you're good to go. This one also, like I said, if you live in a colder area, this one has that fleece on the inside, so it will definitely keep you warm. You can put a cute like puffer jacket over this, and I think it would be a really cute outfit. All right, last piece of clothing I want to show you before we get into what I bought for my reselling business is another jumpsuit. This one is really cute. The picture that I'll probably have posted here on the screen, the model looked super cute wearing it. It's just a gray jumpsuit, but it has like this tie detail here. Again, it is super, super stretchy. I think you could wear this on the shoulder or off the shoulder, whatever you feel more comfortable at. And this leg is more of a relaxed leg, so it's not super, super skinny like the other ones are. This is more of like a casual outfit. This is something that would be great to wear to brunch, and if you just put a cute hat on it and heels, I think this would make for an adorable outfit. All right, that was all the clothing for part 2. Now I'm going to show you what I bought for my business. You guys know that I do sell clothing online, so Temu definitely has some stuff that can help with my business, but even if you don't have any kind of clothing business, this can be very helpful for the average person looking to update their closet. So the first thing I want to show you are these bags. These are basically a white mesh bag with a zipper, and let me show you how I'm going to use this. So if I make a high dollar sale, I really don't want to just ship the item with no kind of like plastic or nothing really protecting the item. I want to make sure that my customer's happy whenever they receive it. So I think this type of bag would be great to put in. I'm using my Temu leggings for this, but it would be great to just put in the clothing. That way, like as a customer, this looks so much better if you were to open up your package and you see your item packaged in this. I feel like it just makes for a better review. So very happy with the quality. As you can see, it's very large. This is just a pair of leggings. I probably could put like 4 or 5 leggings in this package. So this is definitely going to be helpful no matter what I'm shipping. I did also order a even larger bag. This is going to be great if I was to ship out shoes. And again, it has that high quality mesh with the zipper. This next item actually came in a 3-pack, and these are very similar to the mesh that I just showed you, but it does have a different look. This one kind of has like a honeycomb look, but it still has that great zipper. and it will keep your items protected. So like I said, even if you don't like sell things online or need this for that, you could use this for like traveling. So you could put your swimsuits in here. You could just separate things in your suitcase, and it just makes for a better vacation, you know, when everything's organized. Y'all, I got a ton of hangers right here, so let me show you how each one works. So this item comes in a 2-pack, and these are metal. They are not plastic, so if you're looking for more higher quality, I think you would love this. This is actually to hang your pants on. Let me show you. This type of pant hanger is perfect if you have a small closet, maybe you live in a small apartment, and you really need to save some space in your closet. So on this one hanger, I was able to fit 5 pairs of pants. So you can see I got the leggings here, the yoga pants, the brown sweatpants. I got more underneath here. And all you have to do is just slide them in right here, as you can see, and they come right out. And then whenever you put this into your closet, it's gonna save you a lot of space. So I definitely think this is a great item to add to your closet. I also purchased more hangers. These come in white and then these come in black. Let me show you how I'll use these. So this is how this product looks. So basically you can just hook this on to your railing in your closet, and then you can hang up the hanger on each one of these. Let me show you. So you can either hang up your clothing like this, or you can hang them up like this. This is still the same amount of clothing, and there's even more racks. You can put 5 pieces of hangers on here, and this just saves a ton of space, as you can tell. And like I said, I also did get the black one. So here's all of these clothes hanging on this one simple hanger. Very, very useful if you have a small space. So maybe you're more of a colorful person and you want that pop of color in your closet. Temu also has you covered here. This is basically the same thing where you can insert your pants in each slot here. I will show you in just a second, but they do have different colors for you to choose from if you don't want like white, black, or metal. Let me show you how it looks with this. So here's the pink hanger. Again, it has the 5 slots here. And even though it's plastic, it definitely can hold a ton of weight on here because these sweatpants are actually pretty heavy. So yeah, this is definitely a fun item to add to your closet. This would also be great if you are doing like a nursery or a little girl's room. They have the fun colors for that. I got a 3-pack of these. If you like to keep your drawers really organized, this is definitely right up your alley. So this is basically a sheer undergarment holder. It's meant for undergarments, but I bet you could do other stuff. You could do socks. You could even do flats. But I think it's mainly meant for like bras, maybe bathing suits, things like that, just to keep it organized in your drawer. So let me put some clothes in here so I can show you how it looks. So I just went ahead and used some of my pants I just got from Temu as an example. This would be great if you have a ton of black leggings. That way you can keep them all separated. But as you can see, they have all these little compartments that just keeps things separated. So like I said, this is really meant for your undergarments, but you could do pants, your leggings, socks, underwear, even some flats would fit in these. As you can see, they fit in there nicely. So this is my last item, and it turns out to be a pair of clothes. At first I thought it was a white bag, so I haven't tried these on yet, but I will insert a clip right now of me trying these on. These are just a pair of cute white high-rise jeans. They have the cute back pockets, and these are a flare leg, so there's definitely a big flare on this. The flare leg is definitely on trend right now, and I'm really excited to try these on. I hope they fit me. I am very, very short. Just for reference, I have like a 23-inch inseam, so if you know anything about like inseams, you know that's like itty bitty, right? But I'm putting them against my leg and it looks like it's actually going to fit me. So fingers crossed, but these are very, very cute. All right, y'all, that was part 2 of my massive Temu haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this. And if you're interested in anything that I showed in today's video, it will be linked down in my description box. Make sure to take advantage of that 30% coupon code for my followers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Temu for sponsoring this video. I hope to see you guys here again very shortly for another Temu haul. Make sure to subscribe, that way you get updates whenever those videos go live, and I will see you very soon. Bye you guys!